Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to write an informal email. So writing an informal email is quite easy, but easy means it is easier to make mistakes. Okay, so let's look at the writing tasks on page 14. It is important to read writing tasks carefully so that you know exactly what you have to do. Kamu harus baca soalan dengan teliti supaya Anda tahu apa yang Anda perlu tulis. If you hurry through all the details, you could answer incorrectly. So kalau kamu cepat-cepat sudah baca, nanti kamu tertinggal points yang penting. The details are there to help you understand important points. The situation you are in, situasi Anda. The reason you are writing, sebab Anda menulis. The topic you have to write about, topik yang Anda akan tulis. And the type of language you should use, jenis bahasa yang kamu kena tulis. So let's look at number 1 here. You have received an email from your English-speaking friend. I have to write about personal relationships for a class project. Can you help by telling me about your most important relationship? Who is it with? What is he or she like? I don't want to be nosy, but can you also explain why the relationship is important to you? Write soon, Mary. Write your email in 140 to 190 words. So the first thing you need to do is assess the situation. So let's look at this question here. Who has sent you the email? It's your friend, Mary. Number 2, what does she have to do? A class project. And why are you replying? Is it to tell her news, to give her information, or to give her advice? It's B, to give her information. Now, let's look at the topic. What is the main thing you have to write about? What did she ask about in the letter? My most important relationship. And what points do you have to include? So you have to include who it is, what are they like, why the relationship is important to you. And the last one is you have to determine what kind of language you need to use. What relationship do you have with the person you are writing to? So who is Mary? She is my friend. And number 7, is a formal or informal writing style best? Of course, informal. If you have already answered all these questions, then you can start writing your email. Let's look at task 2. You have received an email from your English-speaking friend. Our teacher has asked us to prepare a talk on what young people in different countries do when they are not at school. Can you help by writing and explaining what it's like in your country? What do young people do at home? Where do they go out? And what do they do there? Thanks, Billy. Write your email in 140 to 190 words. So, before replying Billy, ask yourselves questions 1 to 7 in task 1, underlining any words in this task that you think might be useful while you are planning or writing. So, what should you underline here? So, question 1. Who has sent you this email? My friend, Billy. What does he have to do? Prepare a talk on what young people in different countries do when they are not at school. Question 3. Why are you replying? Of course, you are going to give him information. What is the main thing you have to write about? What it's like in your country. What points do you have to include? What do young people do at home? Where do they go out? And what do they do there? Now, let's look at number 2. Tick the 2 writing skills you will mainly need to answer this email. Are we expressing an opinion? Memberi pendapat? Not really. Are we explaining? Yes, we are explaining. Kita menerangkan. Are you describing? Yes, we are describing. Are we suggesting? No, we're not suggesting anything. Kita tidak memberi apa-apa cadangan di sini. Let's look at question 3. Read this email that was written in answer to the question 2. Which 2 of the following phrases are the most suitable for ending the email? Okay, let's look at this reply from Nick Jones. Hi Billy, it was great to hear from you. I hope everything is going well. Your talk sounds interesting and I'm happy to help you with some information. First of all, when teenagers are at home here, they spend most of their time on the computer or watching DVDs. We often get up to 2 hours of homework to do though. Parents also expect their children to help in the house by tidying their rooms or washing up. Some young people in the countryside have to help on farms too, watering vegetables or looking after the animals. When it comes to going out, we often spend afternoons at the local sports ground doing athletics or playing basketball or football. Otherwise, we usually meet in the shopping center and just hang out together, or go and see what's new in the shops. As well as that, we sometimes meet in a cafe to chat, go to the cinema, or go for a walk. Anyway, I hope your talk goes well. Tina. Okay, so there's a line there. What should be the last sentence from Tina? Is it, I look forward to your reply? Is it, have a good time? Is it, good luck? Yes, we can say good luck. Good luck on your project, right? And of course, you can say, I hope I've helped. Okay, let's look at question 4. The writer uses a separate paragraph in an email for each new topic to make it easier for the reader to follow. So, setiap perenggan di sini ada isti yang berlainan. Perenggan pertama ialah dia punya introduction, perenggan kedua ialah satu topik, dan perenggan ketiga satu topik lagi. So, in paragraph 2, mana satu dia punya topik di sini? It's when teenagers are at home. Di sanalah dia punya main topic. So, dia cerita pasal teenagers lah. Second paragraph, what is the topic about? Going out. So, dia cerita apabila teenagers going out. What do they do? Which set phrases has the writer used to introduce them? So, apakah ayat-ayat yang dia guna untuk memperkenalkan dua topik ini? In the first paragraph, it's first of all. See? First of all, when teenagers are at home. In the second paragraph, tentang going out, when it comes to going out. When it comes to. Number 5, when you expand the topic of a paragraph, use linking words in the sentences that follow to add the new information. Which linking words have been used in paragraph 2 and 3? So, apabila kita menghuraikan kita punya paragraph, we have to use linking words. Okay, so what are the linking words here? Okay, look at paragraph 1, the word though, also, and to. And the linking words in paragraph 3 is otherwise, as well as that. Now, question 6. Now look at these linking words. Are they formal or informal? Number 1, in addition. In addition is very formal. Number 2, besides that, informal. Number 3, moreover, formal. Number 4, apart from that, informal. Number 5, as well, informal. Number 6, furthermore, formal. Now, you're going to start writing and you're going to answer number 7. You have received a letter from your English-speaking pen friend. I'm doing a social studies course at college and I've got a project to do about family life. Can you help? Could you tell me about your normal family routine at home, meals, housework, and how you spend leisure time together as a family? I just need you to explain things and tell me what usually happens in your house. Love, Tim. Write your email in 140 to 190 words. So, how do we answer this question? Look back on page 14. The questions in number 1. So first we have to look at the situation. Who has sent you the email? It's my friend Tim. What does he have to do? He has to do a project about family life. And now the reason. Why are you replying? You're going to give him information. Topic. What is the main thing you have to write about? What do you have to write about? Family life. What points do you have to include? Normal family routine at home, meals, housework, and how you spend leisure time together as a family. Explain things and tell what usually happens in your house. Now let's look at language. What kind of language should you use? Tim is your friend. Of course, it is informal. When planning your email, in paragraph 1, comment on Tim's email to you. So you can say, it was great to hear from you. I hope everything is going well. You can just refer to Tina's email. Say how you feel about helping him. I'm happy to help you with some information. So for paragraphs 2 and 4, introduce paragraph topic. So you can say, first of all, our meals when it comes to housework. Lastly, about spending leisure time together as a family. For paragraph 5, comment on his project. Say you hope you have helped. I hope your project goes well. I hope this information is enough for you. And when you write, please look at the language bank here. So you can use all these words and phrases here for your opening paragraph and how to introduce topics, your linking information. Okay, when you want to talk about routine, so there are some ideas when you want to talk about meals and housework and leisure time here. So that's all, and I look forward to reading your emails.